Amen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to Chicago to go see Lil Yachty for a second time. So, first, we gotta go get gas, and then we're gonna fucking head that way. So let's get it.
I got this joint on replay, go DJ, ain't worried about what she doing. What he said, just know I'ma keep it real. Like he said, don't play about the Glock, that mean the hater getting dropped. They got my song on replay, no cliche, all the way from the Sac Town to Berkeley, smoking fire on the I-5. You heard me, sometimes I gotta get away, live my life, fly away.
So for some reason, I just forgot that every single song on this concert was gonna be copyrighted, and I forgot, and I don't really want to cut everything out, so I'm just gonna play this song instead for everyone.
Yeah, back like I never left. Every nigga hating, suck a dick, put him on the shelf. Nigga, hey, stop! Hey, stop! Yeah, strapping up your seatbelt. In a coupe, trying to figure out how deep felt. Yeah, big diamonds in my ears are like seashells. Couple $1 million unclaimed in my email. Oh, now you wanna see me ride around like night with a star like LAPD. Big flights ain't even left the home, we be geek. Everything we do be in 3D. I won't be long. 6 hoes, no phones. Sleeping with that chrome, I ain't lacking never. Big effing tuck and my cool sweater. Ayy, get the fuck off my dick though. Truth be told, we was the first ones on ring.
Alright, so we're on the way home right now, but that fucking show was insane a second time. I fucking, bro, holy fuck. Let's get this fucking drive started, huh?
Do a trick real quick.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Hang all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright.
I can't land with the wheels on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with the new year coming up in the honor of 2024 around the corner, we're going to show some clips from this year and then from previous years because, you know, I just haven't been uploading. So I'm going to make this video a banger. So let's get those fucking clips going, huh? 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on.
I saw your hair transfer on live last night.
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now.
Are you gonna let go?
Let's all celebrate.
I don't think I can do that. I'll fucking die. We're turning. All right, I gotta slow down.
We gon'
So let go if you wanna go.
have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on!
When there's a train coming.
It's a celebration.
Oh, but can't what I meant to say. Can't.
It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on.
See, you shouldn't have fucking done it.
There's a party going on right here. A dedication.
Yeah, just hold on to the vanny. Let Danny have your legs.
So bring your good times.
All right, go.
And
Go,
your
go.
laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. We gon'
All right, boys.
celebrate
We're getting a
and
new
have
gaming
a good time.
Ain't no fucking way you just in my
It's
car.
time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure?
Oh my fucking god, Tanner. Oh wait, let me know I have to, buddy. Oh, let's fucking go. We got it there, boy.
It's a celebration.
It's alright. We'll just crash. Let's go. W chair.
It's a celebration.
Start going down. It's already 12. Oh yeah. Happy New Year, gangsta. Oh my god, that was some real 10K likes on the video right now, and I will jump off without a parachute. Swear to God. I'm just
I done did a lot this year. Made a lot of friends, some came, some go, and I still never took a sip of beer.
You know what? They are part of my subscribers of Mikey Vlogs, so I think they're our friends, I'm not gonna lie. So, thanks to them.